Port of Baltimore. Whoop. We're on the Carnival Pride. We're just leaving Baltimore for a 7-day Bahamas journey. And this is the miniature golf. And there are about, I guess there's 9 holes. And there's basketball courts. I think the spa is down in there.
I know what you know.
Another 3 holes. See, that was 9, I believe. Anyway, and that's once around the track. And I think you'd have to go about 20 times to make that a mile. Maybe 30. What? You want to go again? .2 laps. What's that? So there are towel animals on all the chairs out here on the Lido deck. Pig. So, is it a contest? I wonder what's going on. Towel animals everywhere. Even there. Look at them all. Look at them all. See that? We're heading to the elevators. The whole ship is like a Renaissance. All the elevators have these paintings inside and out. See that? See that? And then there's these weird glass things where every elevator is. We're being called. Hi. Okay, so now we're on the elevator. And for some reason, people have scratched the nipples off several of these. You know what I mean? A lot. So it's weird. Want a coffee or something sweet to eat right there, but they charge for it. Don't forget that. And here's a lounge where people sit. Here's the beautiful stairways.
You want me to run up one side and come down the other?
Yeah, go ahead. And up there is the ivory bar. The chapel's right up there. Well, you can't see it. And the internet cafe is right there. Okay. So that's the Starry Night Lounge, but they have it all covered because of the art show, I guess. I don't know. And then this is the sports bar, where you can see sporting events or watch nonsense when there's no sports coming on. You can also play slot machines in here. I never saw those before.
You didn't?
Wow. So, then they have some pool tables here. We're kind of going around the back way. They're rearranging. Oh, we're getting new felts on the tables here. Right? They're beautiful. Slot machines over there. That's where we would have walked, but we came the back way. Look at this staircase. Chapel's up there at the top. There's 2 different bars we just walked by there. Gonna take a stroll through the casino. Check this guy out. Cash crane. I won $100 in there last night. That's right. I picked it up. It only cost me like $40 worth of tries, but finally I got it. I want to go for the 2,500. Some 2,500, yeah. That's a little harder though, I think. Anyway. Howdy. Casino's closed because we're in port. Yeah, there's another cash cube. That's got 2,500 in it also.
Or iPads.
That game is hard. Hard. Now we're coming to the central lobby with the big atrium. Let me show you this. Let's look up. Yeah, it goes way up there, doesn't it? This is the award they got for being the best ship. And that's the award they got for something else. Anyway, let's go say hey. She's on the phone though. This is guest services. That's Diane. She's been the most helpful person on the cruise. Next to maybe the room steward.
How are you guys today?
Good.
We're fabulous. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, good, thanks. Are you guys going out? I love those cameras.
We are going out.
Yeah.
What kind of camera is that? GoPro. Say GoPro.
GoPro.
Yeah, there you go. Busy, 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 busy.
Wait for me.
Wait for her. Now look up there. That's right. Yeah. Now see that glass staircase way up there? That's the stairway up to David's. Anyway.
David's is delicious.
We're heading down here.
Look out the window.
Look out the window. Look out the window with the palm trees. You see the palm trees wavering in the wind? Look at that. Did it stop raining now?
No, I see it.
This is where you get a martini. I think this is called Raphael's, but I'm not certain. They do karaoke right here too. About 10 o'clock every night. That's good. That's the Captain's Club. I always see people eating in there. I'm going. This is a nightclub called Beauties. And this is the dining room where we eat Normandy. It's closed, of course.
Done our best to serve you this room. We have danced for you and made you smile. Already we're so lonesome we could cry. So wait to me.
Staircase on the landing has two glass works of art, one large painting, and that's all 10 floors in 3 stairways, 4 stairways, maybe there's 2.
Number 2. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter.
Jupiter! She says Jupiter.
Number 3. What planet has the shortest year? Mercury.
There's bathrooms all over the place. This is where you get to see your pictures, which I thought were out and they're not. So every night there's like 5 or 6 of these places to stand in front of, backdrops, scenes to get your picture taken. And then they, if you find your picture on this wall, you get it for free. We found our picture on this wall one night. La 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 la. We got it for free. Oh, I see. They're behind so they aren't out in the open. I thought they were. Oh, we can't go any further. So there's like thousands of pictures here. Now we're entering the shops. The shops where everything's on sale every day. Biggest sales at the end of the cruise though. That last sea day, they're going to be clearing this junk out and bringing in new junk. So I don't know if you can see in there, but shirts and toys and such, and watches and jewelry. Everything's 70% off. Necklaces by the foot. And over here is where it's a candy store and cakes and flowers even. Candy and liquor. If you buy your liquor here, you can open it right on the ship. They'll give it to you. If you buy your liquor here, you got to wait till you get off. Big difference. Anyway, now we're, this is their awards when they were a new ship, I guess. I give us awards. This is the Ivory Bar. I think we went in there already once. There's that staircase that Janet ran up and down.
Walked up there.
She said ran. See that? Here's the chapel.
Here.
This is the Internet Cafe. Here's the showroom. It's called the Taj Mahal. Right?
Bring your tickets. Guest services.
There's an upstairs and a downstairs. The main room is downstairs. We're like in the balcony now. See that? This place is rather large. I don't know what the capacity is for sure. I'm guessing 1,000 people. Now we're going to look at how to get out to the kids area. You know, Club O2, Camp Carnival, that sort of stuff. It's a really weird way. I mean, you'd think this was something here.
This is called Sunset Garden.
And I never see anybody here sitting on these chairs, and yet they could. Take a look outside. Still a little bit stormy. Wow, look at the waves now. People still getting off. Anyway. But see what a cool area, although a little low. I mean, we're kind of under the seats for Taj Mahal. And then when you get over here, there's this stairway. It goes up to a door, an area there. Circle something.
Circle C. That's 12 to 14-year-old club.
You heard her. And then you got this. And then you have this area, which is just another stairway. A fourth stairway. I don't know. And then there's another stairway going up here, which is the real virtuality, the fun club. So, the fun house. So more kids. Now, we've just walked from one side of the ship to the other. And you'll notice this hallway looks a lot like the one on the other side.
But it has no seats. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay.
And again, nobody ever sits here. How nice this would be though. I mean, they should use it for something, right? I've never seen one person sitting anywhere in either of these hallways leading to the children's places. Here's one entrance to Butterflies. If you go in this way though, you have to go down a stairway. Because this is the Taj Mahal up here. Oh. You positive? See the butterflies? It's crowded down here for some reason. Well, that was Butterflies, and it's full of people, but I think it has something to do with the tours. That's where the comedians are always. down in Butterflies. After about 10 o'clock at night, they do the dirty shows. But they always do a family one earlier in the evening. This is the Serenity adults only area.
There's one girl working here.
Those clamshells are really hard to get. I got up at 7 o'clock in the morning once, and there was only one left, but I got it. But I'm thinking right now, I could have my pick of all of them. You know what I mean? All of them. Maybe. Anyway, they have a bar here, and they make drinks. We just disembarked. Now the camera crews are waiting for us. See them? They want to take our picture. I'm taking their picture.
Okay, I'm the king of the world.
Ah, she's the king of the world. Ah.
This is what would happen in a real emergency, and I would ask for you to please stay calm at your muster stations. Do not move around. Parents and guardians, I ask that you please keep your children close by as well, so that we can make this an accurate count.
Now it's your
Thank you in advance for your cooperation.